I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video I will explain how to change your Lexus IS250 fog light bulb. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down before starting. Having your new H11 fog light bulb ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Safety first, always. To access the fog light, begin by turning your steering wheel fully towards the side you are working on. This provides ample space. Next, locate and remove the two plastic clips and one 10mm bolt that secure the fender liner. Carefully pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light assembly. This crucial step allows you to reach the bulb housing effectively. Now let's replace the bulb. Gently twist the old fog light bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it from its housing. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab. Take your new H11 bulb, insert it into the housing, and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. With the new bulb installed, it's time for reassembly. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position, ensuring all holes align perfectly. Reinstall the two plastic clips and the one 10mm bolt, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle's fog lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Double-check that all components are tight and properly seated before you drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.